Thinking about buying the all-new 2026 Kia K4? Hold on, before you make that decision, there are a few things you really need to know. Because on paper, this car looks like a no-brainer. Sleek design, modern tech, great efficiency. But does it actually deliver where it matters? And more importantly, is it the right car for you? Let's break it all down. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Kia K4 is that it doesn't look like your typical compact sedan anymore. Kia completely redesigned it with a sharper, more aggressive identity. The front end feels futuristic with a wide grille and striking LED lighting that gives it a strong road presence. From the side, it leans into a fastback style shape, making it look longer and more premium than it actually is. It's the kind of design that feels closer to an entry-level luxury sedan than a budget commuter. So if styling matters to you, the K4 definitely punches above its class. Step inside, and this is where the K4 really starts to make sense. The cabin is clean, modern, and surprisingly upscale. You get a dual-screen setup that stretches across the dashboard, giving it that high-tech feel usually reserved for more expensive cars. Materials are solid for the price, and the layout is driver-focused without being complicated. But what really stands out is space. Thanks to its smart proportions, the K4 offers impressive legroom, even in the back seats. It's comfortable enough for daily commutes and long drives without feeling cramped. If you're coming from an older sedan or even downsizing from an SUV, this interior might genuinely surprise you. Now let's talk about what it's like to actually drive. The 2026 Kia K4 is expected to offer multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient base engine and a more responsive turbocharged version. This isn't a performance car, and it's not trying to be. Instead, it focuses on smooth acceleration, comfortable cruising, and predictable handling. Because it's lighter and lower than an SUV, it feels more stable in corners and easier to maneuver in tight spaces. So if your driving is mostly city, highway, and everyday use, the K4 delivers exactly what you need without overcomplicating things. This is one of the biggest reasons people are paying attention to the K4. Compared to most compact SUVs in the same price range, the K4 is simply more efficient. You're looking at fewer fuel stops, lower running costs, and a car that just makes more financial sense long-term. And in today's world where fuel prices can be unpredictable, that's a big deal. If saving money over time is part of your buying decision, this is a strong point in the K4's favor. Let's get into the numbers, because this is where expectations meet reality. The 2026 Kia K4 is expected to be competitively priced, likely undercutting many compact SUVs while offering similar features. You'll probably see multiple trims, starting with a well-equipped base model and moving up to higher trims with more tech, better materials, and additional convenience features. The key thing here, even the base version should feel complete, which isn't always the case in this segment. So whether you're budget-focused or looking for a fully loaded daily driver, there's likely a version of the K4 that fits. Kia has been stepping up its game in safety and tech, and the K4 continues that trend. Expect a full suite of driver assistance features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. The key thing here, even the base version should feel complete, which isn't always the case in this segment. So whether you're budget-focused or looking for a fully loaded daily driver, there is likely a version of the K4 that fits. Kia has been stepping up its game in safety and tech, and the K4 continues that trend. Expect a full suite of driver assistance features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. On the tech side, you get a responsive infotainment system with smartphone integration, likely including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's not just about having features, it's about having the ones you'll actually use every day. Pros: stylish, modern design that stands out. Strong fuel efficiency compared to SUVs. Comfortable and surprisingly spacious interior. Competitive pricing with good value. Cons: not ideal if you need high ground clearance. Performance is more practical than exciting. Trunk access isn't as flexible as an SUV. Who should buy the 2026 Kia 4? If you're looking for a practical, efficient, and modern daily driver, the K4 makes a lot of sense. It's perfect for commuters, small families, or anyone who wants SUV-like usability without the extra cost and fuel consumption. But if you regularly deal with rough roads, need maximum cargo flexibility, or just prefer a higher driving position, an SUV might still be the better fit. So, everything you need to know before buying the 2026 Kia 4? It's not trying to be everything, and that's exactly why it works. It focuses on what most drivers actually need: comfort, efficiency, tech, and value, and delivers it in a package that feels smarter than the average SUV. The real question is, are you buying what you need or just following the trend?